night was Regine. Tapos nag-uusap-usap kami. Ah, sabi ko, gusto ko na mag-retire. Sabi ni Regine, ako nag-retire. Yung, kasi yun yung time na medyo nag-aano na nga kami ng family ko, ng husband ko na mag-migrate na. Kasi, to begin with, kaya ako nasabing reluctant diva, is because I started so late. I'm not young anymore when I entered yung mainstream recording industry. I was already 27 years old. I was already married. I have two kids. I'm not attractive anymore. I was a mother already.
Hindi na kayo para pwede i-pair up.
Kumbaga parang, di ba, parang late bloomer talaga. Kaya so I was, but, nga, I got into the recording industry at the age of 27. Parang feeling ko nga, magiging accepted pa ba? Ganon. Kaya nung na-experience ko na lahat-lahat na to, sabi ko, okay na to. Sabi ko, okay na akong mag-retire. And I just want to, to concentrate because with my kids, because I was so young that time. Sabi ko, sige, mangibang bayan na tayo and then just really focus on something else. And I was ready to do something else talaga. My husband and I were like talking about, hindi music. Oo.
Kasi talagang totally different.
Oo. We were going to migrate sa Canada and, just be, doing regular stuff. Like, and then, yun yung last ko na 2020, 2003. And then the following year, 2020, kami nag-migrate.
Tapos at nasundan pa ng
Ha?
Nasundan pa ng concert.
Pagkatapos yun pala, pagpunta naman sa Amerika, ganun din pala gagawin.
Hindi, buhay na buhay rin sa Amerika.
Ha?
Buhay na buhay din sa Amerika.
Ano yung mga mini concert?
Actually, nakikita ko, friend ko si Sir Gart Garcia.
Si Gart!
Yeah, nakikita ko kayo doon.
Si Gart pa, mayat-maya din nagko-concert.
Parang siya yung sumasablubong sa mga Pilipino na
yes.
dumadayo doon.
Yeah. Yung kanilang Starlink.
Starlink.
Yeah.
Thank you, Miss Lani.
And
Congrats.
congratulations.
Ako, salamat. Salamat.